Hi QTP Cutie! Welcome to the Queer Trans Projects tutorial for how to properly measure yourself and wear a pocket bra and breast forms. For this tutorial, you'll need a string and measuring tape for your chest, shoulders, and ribs. Measure your chest at the fullest part of your bust, by your nipples. Mark the spot where the string overlaps, then line it up against your measuring tape for your size. Repeat for your shoulder horizontally across your upper back and your ribs directly under your chest. Insert your breast forms before putting on your bra for easier application. Unclip your bra and lay it down on a flat surface. You can wear this bra 3 different ways. Padding only, with just the cups inside. Breast forms only, by removing the cups, gently folding the forms like a taco and sliding it into the pocket at a slight angle, or with both. As a mobility hack, put your bra on backwards, clip it in the front, then spin it to the right position and slide the straps over your shoulders. You should be able to fit 1 or 2 fingers between the strap and your shoulder. Adjust your bra straps by moving the adjuster up to tighten or down to loosen. Be patient with yourself. Got tips or questions? Drop them in the comments. And check out our other tutorials on how to tuck, apply makeup, and more. See you soon, cutie!